Hi everyone, it's Michaela here from Between the Steps. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm back with a brand new video. You wanted to see me unpacking my new Hobonichi for 2019, so it's already unpacked, but I wanted to show you what you can expect if you order directly from Hobonichi this year. You will get a lovely orange box. The size will vary depending on what you actually ordered and how big your order is. They included this little quote, which is a nice touch. And I wanted to tell you that I actually got my order from Tinker Trades. She is UK based. Her name is actually Victoria. So Victoria, if you're watching, thank you so very much for your order. It's lovely. And if you're interested, you can check her out, okay? She's on Etsy as Tinker Trades. And honestly, if you don't want to deal with like custom charges and that dreadful long delivery time, just order from someone on Etsy. It will be so much faster and so much easier for you to get your Hobonichi. Unless you're ordering more like 10 items, then it may be cheaper, but you will still have to deal with these custom charges and stuff, and it will just come in like 3-4 weeks. But yeah, it depends where you live as well. Anyways, I got this little lovely box for my weeks. And I know you're dying to see what I actually got, so let me just put this away. So for 2019, I got a set of, this is actually a set of 3 notebooks that fit your weeks. It's exactly the same size, maybe slightly smaller. And I got 3 packs, so I've got 9 of these notebooks all together, and I'm going to be using these for like notes and scribbles and stuff, you know. This is what it looks like inside. And I don't know if you are aware of this, if you watched any of my Hobonichi previous videos. Hobonichi uses Tomoe River paper, which is very, very light in weight. I think that it's 70 GSM, but it doesn't bleed through. It's absolutely brilliant for fountain pens. And even using watercolors and stuff, it's not going to bleed through, but you will definitely see some ghosting, okay? It's just because the paper is super, super thin. So that is these little notebooks. Then your Hobonichi will come with this little fun life book. Then you get a map. Okay, it's not very useful to me because I think that this is in Japan. But yeah, they will give you this map. It's a little crazy. I mean, look at that. Okie dokie. And now the weeks. Oh my god, I love this thing. I absolutely love this thing. Can you see the whole thing? I hope you can. Oh, this actually came with the weeks as well, with the mega weeks. And that notebook is inside of this cover. I absolutely love this one. It's fabric. And when I saw this cover, I just knew that I have to have it. So let's open this. I'm so excited. You have to excuse me. I'm so excited. Now let's push it up a bit so you can see the whole thing. Maybe that, yeah, that's in the way. So let's just put it there. And look at that. This looks amazing. I'm just gonna take it out and show you the entire cover. This is the week's mega. This is what I got. And also I got the Hobonichi Techo pen 2019, which comes in this lovely, sort of like a salmon color, like a pastel pink. I really love it. It fits my color theme, which is amazing. So yeah, the cover, the inside is leather. There are 7 slots for your cards, but these are actually quite flexible, so you would be able to fit at least 2 cards in each slot. Then of course you have a pen loop. There are 2 pockets in here. I hope that you can see this well. Okay, and then you've got another pocket here, another pocket here. These are pretty deep, pretty large. And then you get another zip pocket right here for your coins or anything you will need to put in here. So basically, you could use this as a wallet, plus you can fit your Hobonichi Weeks inside. And this was my idea of how I'm going to be using this. I'm not really sure if I'm going to be using it as a wallet, but this is going to be my on-the-go planner. Now let's have a look inside. Obviously, it comes with 2019 calendar, which I kind of boosted up. Then you've got the previous and the following year. And after this, you have an annual calendar that you can use as a future log, or you can track your studies here, work progress, or whatever. And after this, we have monthly spreads starting from December 2018. You can see that I'm all ready for this. I really cannot wait to start using it. And I actually used my stickers from the Cozy Christmas collection. It's this collection right here. You can find it on our BTS Joy on Paper Etsy shop. I used up the entire sheet on my weeklies, you will see in a second. So it starts in December 2018 and then it goes all the way to up to March 2020. After these monthly calendars, that's where your weeklies start. I'm just going to show you how I used my stickers. These are from my shop as well. And as you can see, the weeklies start on 26th of November 2018. And I'm going to tell you when the last week is. And yep, it looks like, yes, it is. It's December 2019. So these weekly pages will last you till 5th of January 2020. All right, after the weeklies, you have daily pages. You can see pretty well, I hope that the camera is picking this up, but you can see that you can see through these pages, okay? So like I said before, these are very, very thin. Now, these pages are numbered, and in mega weeks, you get, let me have a look. Yes, 213 numbered pages. I mean, look at this chunk, you know, these are all dailies. It's 213 pages. And look how thin they are. It's amazing, isn't it? And the whole thing with the cover is very light. So let's flip through these remaining pages. These are all in Japanese. And if any of you understand this language, it would be incredible if you could comment below and tell us what we actually see in these pages, because I have no clue. These look like some meal ideas, but other than that, I have absolutely no clue. This is what you can expect if you order Hobonichi Weeks Mega. All right, now let's come back to these weekly pages, because I wanted to show you those 7 ways you can use your weekly layout in your weeks. All right. And yeah, I know, I wanted to show you these stickers and how I use them. I'm actually going to start baking Christmas cookies the first week of December. How about you? Do you like Christmas? Do you get like crazy during the Christmas time? Because I do. I love Christmas. I love absolutely everything about it. Last year, we got rid of our plastic Christmas tree. We actually thought that we're going to like save the environment. You know, we bought it 10 years ago. So what did we know, right? But you know, we just thought that if we buy the plastic one, it will last longer. And we wanted to save like cutting real trees. But then we read a lot of information about this, and it's actually better to buy a real tree than a plastic one. It's much more environmental friendly. So yeah, it's just like a fun fact if you're into this stuff, so you can look it up and see why real trees are better than plastic ones. So yes, moving on. These weeklies, I actually scanned it, and I'm gonna have a printable for you. I do have it now. It's in our community library. And the reason I scanned the pages and I put them up in our library is because I thought that maybe some of you would like to try the layout and the size, you know, how the paper size suits your style. So I created this printable. You can download it for yourself and try it out before maybe buying it. I thought that it would be a great idea. So yeah, you can find this in the community library on betweenthesteps.com. And now I'm going to show you those 7 ideas how you can use your mega weeks. So yeah, let's just put this back. like I said, I'm going to be using this as an on-the-go sidekick. So my main bullet journal for 2019 will be the Scribble Step Meta in B5 size. I've done a whole video about this, so I'm going to link it up here. That will be my main desk bullet journal, and this one will be living in my handbag mainly, and probably in the kitchen. But yes, here are the 7 ways you can use your Hobonichi Weeks. I'm going to zoom this in, so I'm not going to get into depth with this, because I don't want this video to be super long. So basically, you can use this weekly layout as a fitness health tracker or log. You can do a bit of journaling here for daily to-dos, daily schedule, AM, PM, all day. You can letter a word a day or do any kind of monthly challenge here. And by the way, our Between the Steps challenge is coming back in November, so stay tuned for that. The 6th way is to use it as a productivity flowchart. So basically, you set 3 priorities for the day, and then on a scale 0 to 10 or 1 to 10, you track your productivity. You can use this for mood as well. These numbers up here are indicating hours, okay, between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. And the last idea I've got here is to use it for goal focus. So you set your daily focus, and then you can write down the summary of this, okay? If you achieved what you set up to do that particular day, how you feel it went, and what you think you could have done better. On the right-hand side here, I've got the weekly tracker here, some weekly to-dos. You can put a sticky note here, separate the page with a washi tape, write your daily reflection or gratitude, monthly challenge, daily topic. You can write down your study or work progress, ideas on the go, track TV series, basically whatever you want. What I forgot to tell you is, and I'm not sure if you can see this well, but this left page is actually divided into 3 sections, okay? That's why I've got these lines here. There's a dot that you should be able to see, and here is another dot, okay? So you've got these little dots here on every day that you can follow and divide your layout according to them. And also you have a monthly calendar here in the right corner. And what I discovered today is that I can use this space because I don't understand this. This is in Japanese. This is a Japanese quote. And I don't need to see it because I have no clue what it says. So I actually found out that I can use these stickers on this part of the page, which is really cool. These are KissCut. All of my stickers are KissCut, okay? So that will cover that nicely. So I'm going to use it in my proper weeks, not this paper, obviously. And if you like these are also available in our shop. You can get them in 7 different colors. This one actually comes as a 2-pack. And yeah, you get these as well with the small ones. You get 30 small watercolor brush stickers and 1 large one here at the bottom. Okay, I just wanted to show you this. You actually get one of these as a freebie if you order from me. So yeah, check out the shop. And that is it for today. I wanted to show you this so bad. I think that these ideas are really great. Don't forget that we've got that printable in our Between the Steps community library that you can find on betweenthesteps.com. It's all linked down below for you so you can easily find it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more. Share the video with other people who you think might find it helpful and inspiring. I am now off to setting up for the month of November, so I'm gonna let you go. I love you all so much. Mwah! And I shall see you very, very soon. Bye!